Hello guys, today I'm going to test my water cooler peptide 50 watts test Deltaforce Ultimate 60 fps. This cooler it can handle the heat of my iPad very good, but the iPad has only 4G RAM. Sometimes it crash game. So most of the time I play at smooth or standard. This one my cooler 50 watts. It has a 3 speed fan mode and 5 cooling mode. And this one I build myself. I use this one outside 120 fan, $5 pump, and 80 millimeter radiator. Yeah, we'll show you. Wait. This with hot air. Yeah. It 50 watt, but water cold, so it frozen crazy. You can make ice. Yes, let's go. I'm going to test it with Ultimate 60 fps Deltaforce. Let's see. Let's go.
Taking over objective Alpha. Not enough sectors are under our control. We control more sectors than the enemy. 50% to operation complete. Keep it up. Sector Echo under control. Enemy forces control the majority of sectors. Allied troops engaging in objective Charlie. Sector Alpha captured. Sector Charlie under control. The enemy is attacking objective Charlie. More sectors than our enemy. We have the lead. Just a final push to ensure our victory. control the majority of sectors. Not enough sectors are under our control. A unit of ours poses a serious threat to the enemy. Keep up with this fight. Strategic beacon deployed. Objective Charlie is under attack. Sector Echo. Allied troops engaging in objective Bravo. Operation accomplished. Outstanding job, operator.